Hey, this is going to be a review on the blue light lenses from Apex Lenses. Now, I want to preface this with saying I'm not religiously a believer in blue light blocking glasses. There's actually a lot of skepticism around blue light glasses, and I've kind of fallen into that where I'm like, do they really work? But last night, I noticed something that it kind of pushed me back on the side of believing in blue light glasses or blue light lenses. So last night I was editing videos till around 4 in the morning, really late night. And I think around 2 a.m. my glasses, you see I'm wearing the Ray-Ban Metas, the glasses died. So my normal thing to do is just throw them in the case or put them on my desktop charger. And last night after putting them in the case, continue with editing, and something I noticed was my eyes started watering really bad. I started feeling the need to like rub them, and it might have been me staying up late, I don't know, but I hadn't had that issue up until that point. The entire time I was sitting there editing videos, I actually forgot that I had the glasses on, which is I like when that happens. Like I don't remember that I have my blue light glasses on, but or the Ray-Bans on. But yeah, I just continue with editing, and yeah, it's almost like a sinus thing. But I put them back on, and no more rubbing, no more issues with my eyes. And listen, I'm telling you, I'm not like I have these were my original blue light glasses that I used, and what I did notice was the tint isn't as like yellowy as these, and I was wondering if that would be like make a difference, but it doesn't appear to make a difference. So yeah, now as I'm editing videos, and I just noticed it. I felt like as I was editing, I felt like my eyes felt a little tighter, a little bit heavier. It might be because I stayed up late, who knows? Like I said, I don't religiously believe in the blue light technology, but I have noticed when I wear these glasses, I don't feel as much strain on my eyes. I don't feel the need to rub them. So just throw it out there. They may work. And here's another quick update. So I just took them off to charge them. And here's another quick update. I just took them off to charge them. And I'll be honest with you, I can feel a difference in my eyes as I'm sitting here continuing to edit this video that you're watching. I can feel like a little bit of strain on my eyes. So sometimes I wonder, is it a matter of quality? Are these higher quality blue light lenses? Because I'm sure not all lenses are the same. When I go to the site, I'm on the website now, it says that they are backed by 100% guarantee, so they're pretty confident in their product. I'm not seeing too much about what makes this different, but they say Apex lenses are designed, tested, and manufactured in the United States of America. That is really big. That's rare. And we have unrivaled clarity, protection, and longevity than cheap knockoffs. Yeah. Impact resistant too. I just saw that. Elite enhanced clarity and impact resistance. And this is super important with any lens that you purchase. I've seen videos of people who got into a car crash, and when the airbag deployed, it hit the glasses and they broke. This is something I've never gotten a wreck, so I never thought about it. But apparently this is a major concern that most people don't think about. So they're impact resistant, so that's something to definitely keep in mind when you are purchasing lenses. So yeah, I am truly happy with the blue light lenses. I'm telling you right now, I can feel a difference in my eyes. So yeah, I may get another pair for my other glasses. But yeah, I'm happy with the results. But yeah, if you are looking for blue light lenses for your Ray-Ban Metas, and originally these were the transition lenses. I'm not a fan of the transition lenses. They don't change the way I thought they would. So I decided to switch these to some glasses that I would use more for indoor stuff, like recording content indoors and wearing while I'm video editing. So yeah, if you're looking for blue light lenses for your Ray-Ban Metas or any replacement lenses in general, definitely check out Apex Lenses. I put a link in the description in case you're on YouTube or another platform and want to check them out. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. You have a blessed day.